Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So guys, this is the fourth part of the video for the PHP CRUD. Okay, so in first part we have done how to display or fetch the data, and from there we are adding the data and editing the data and updating it, and then in this is the fourth part where we are going to delete the data. Okay, so guys, let's get started with that. And yeah guys, so this is our form, the first form. Okay, that the index form. Okay, so we are going to delete the data from here. Okay, so I'll show you the form how it is. So yeah guys, so this is the form where we are showing if you want to add the data, go and add your data. Okay, and if you want to edit the data, like you want to edit this with Prakash as Om Prakash. Okay, so just Om and Kumar will give. Okay, update, so it's changed to Om Kumar. Okay, this is how we update. So we have, this is the third part of it, and now we are going to delete the data according to its ID. Okay, if you are clicking on delete, so the 6 data should get deleted. Okay, so guys, for that let's get started. Yeah guys, so this was the index form which we displayed this data. Okay, so in this, now we will remove this href. No, first we will create the form. Okay, so as simple as clear. So form action and method is equal to post. Okay, so you have to cut this form and paste it after your button. Okay, so normal, and yeah guys, so I don't want a href tag. Instead I will use my input type submit button. Okay, and name is equal to delete, and we'll use one class called bootstrap class. Button is to button, that is changer. So I have used my bootstrap link to display this. Okay, so what now is that I will use, if you want to delete this by its ID, so you have to declare one ID. Okay, so that is input type hidden, name is equal to ID, and value is equal to of its ID, that it should be displayed by this while loop. Okay, so this while loop is displaying all the values in it. Okay, so $row of what? ID. Okay, this row is nothing but your while loop row. Okay, done. And yeah guys, so in this index form, that's it. So now the ID is ready. So if you are clicking on this delete button, so it should go to one delete.php file. Okay, right. So for that, let's create one file into our folder. So that is delete.php. Okay, so delete.php file is ready now. Let's get started with the code, guys. So what I'm doing is that PHP open, so PHP and in this, as normal thing, we have to give the connection is equals to mysqli underscore connect, that is the localhost username and password. Okay, so localhost username is root and password I don't keep. Okay, so database now. So MySQL, I select DB, that is you are going to connect your database. Okay, I mean connection of your database, that is your and your database name. So database name is PHP-CRUD. Okay, PHP-CRUD. Okay, and now we'll give the button, that is if the button is clicked, the data should get deleted. Okay, so is set of $_post of what, the ID. Okay, so that ID is nothing but from your index page you have given over here in the hidden, that is ID. So just copy that and paste, not that, sorry, name. Okay, so this is the button, right? So I'm sorry guys for that. So this is our button where for delete, so copy this delete and give over here. Okay, so if you click on this delete button, it will go to the action and it will move to this page delete.php, and the delete.php page is here. Okay, as simple and clear. Okay, now we'll declare the variable for $_ post of ID. Okay, so ID is nothing but your this ID. Okay, copy, go to your delete.php page and paste it. Okay, now execute the query. So you are deleting the data by its ID, right? So you are only retrieving the ID. Okay, so now what you have to do is that give the query in this delete from student. Student means nothing but your table name. Okay, so I'll show you student. Okay, so this is the student table name, that is where ID is equals to, that is $ID. Okay, so $ID, and yeah, run this query. Query underscore run is equal to mysqli query method. Okay, so in this now you have to declare your connection. Okay, so that is connection. Okay, so connection comma and your query. So this is my query, Control C and paste it. That's it. The code to delete is this much only. Okay, but the whether it is deleted or not, for that we will execute the if statement. We will check it whether the data is executed or not. So we are using if statement. So what I'm going to do is this, I will take this variable and put it into if statement that it is executed or not. Okay, so I'll check with that and echo into single quotes as script script closed alert with the method. Inside that I will give data deleted. Okay, so let's just copy this, Control C and paste it. Okay, Control V. So over here data not deleted. Okay, so after if the data is deleted, I'll give header, that is it should get located at one place. So location is to where, index page, to your main page. Okay, so after deleting it should go to the index page. So this is my index page where I'm viewing the data. So guys, let's save the program and let's go and execute, reload. Yeah guys, yeah, data is reloaded now. Now I'm going to delete the ID6. Okay, so let's delete. Why it's written submit? I should check out into the index page. As simple, as clear. I have not given the value itself, so just give value is equal to, that is delete, delete. Okay, and yeah, so let's go reload. It's written delete. Okay, so now let's delete. Click delete. I think it's deleted. let's reload. No, it's not getting deleted. Okay, so let's try to find out what is that. We'll go back to the code. Oh guys, the error, it's not accepting the ID, right? So let's click delete. It's not deleting because it's not accepting the ID. So let's check the ID $row. Oops, we did not echo the ID. Okay, so we have to echo the ID. Now save your program, Control S, and go back to your Chrome, reload, and let's delete the 6th value. Okay, let's delete, and boom, the data is deleted. Okay, right, so you have got the message that data deleted. Okay, this is a very simple way that how to delete the data. Okay, so I'm going to delete the number 5 and delete. So there is no data. Okay, so I'm reloading, refreshing 1000 times. Also there are only 4 details. Want to check the database, and let's refresh, and you'll get that over there 4. Okay, so there are that 2 datas are deleted, right? So guys, thank you for watching this video once again, and please subscribe, like, share the channel to your friends also. Okay guys, so in this video we have learned how to delete the data in PHP CRUD. Okay, thank you.